Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Kalang. I am from class 7.2. My attendance number is 12. In this time, I want to explain about my task. It's about civic. I choose cultural diversity. Cultural diversity refers to the universe of ourselves, norms, tradition, language, and anymore. It's an essential for building understanding, tolerance, and cultural by different and effective communication. Well, can manage cultural diversity well. So that for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.